Ndongoi Ngaliko ya Ulei, Itongoew'e na Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Rigathi Gachagua, Muturi, Eugene Wamalwa, Angi, Nisyaumania Kuawa kwa Kinyamu kwa Mwanake Ojwang, Mokoni Maovisa, Useseei Kiseseni cha Volisi cha Central, Nthini wa Utumani wa Nyumba wa Maovisa ni Mwenda Deputy Inspector General Lagat kosa wa matambi ya mavyu makimeo na haki kweke kamusieni wa Mwanake lothenzi wake wona nisyeka na anavuiwe na kwitwa mubaka atiwa ni thayoli na musangi.
Ndongoi Ngaliko ya Ulei kumania kwa Ojwang Ulei na ukuwa miaka 30 na umani mawetie munini wa Inspector General Lagat tawaile kuiveta ngovisini kuikiwa mbini na kuthagwa kotini.
We are calling not just for the resignation but for the arrest and arraignment in court of the Deputy Inspector General of Police Lagat within 24 hours from the issuance of this statement. We similarly demand that the junior officers currently being persecuted be given witness protection with immediate effect. Their lives obviously are in danger because they know the truth.
Nivala Ndongoi na makolo maingi kwenda serikali kwa Islamu vya wa Useseei kusungia ndumamusi wa Albert ondumana na Kenya ni Mwanake uno wa kwanzia ya Kinyamu wala nikika kimatite nenze na maukulio na uya mwingi.
That family has questions. We too have questions. Kenyans have questions. And indeed the international community has questions. We all demand answers to the following. 1. The Criminal Procedure Code, Chapter 75 of the Laws of Kenya, has clear procedures on arrests relating to cognizable offenses. There should have been a formal complaint and an arrest warrant. Kenyans want to know if there was a formal complaint by the Deputy Inspector General of Police Lagat. And if so, at what police station?
Nivala yume ukule niki Albert wa USL eweka ondumana kitumikia kamera sa CCTV kwithiita thukuma muthenya usu wala ingema weta masala Maovisa ma DCI makuye kumovika Kiseseni kia Volisi kia Central kuma musini kuwa kauntini ya Homa Bay maema inge makwenda mausungio.
100 kilometers from the alleged area of incident and specifically Central Police Station in Nairobi, and checked in under OB number 13/7/6/2025 at 9:35 p.m. on Saturday, June 7th remains unclear. There are 26 hours that remain unaccounted for between Homa Bay and Nairobi. 26 hours when a healthy man having lunch with his young family arrived, according to many sources, bleeding with serious injuries, 26 hours before being declared dead on arrival, allegedly at Bagathi Hospital, Nairobi, at 1:39 a.m.
Ndongoi Nisyaumania kwa kambuni wa Safaricom maweta withitwe ukwothe nenze kutekwa nyara ona muvikia Kuawa Mokoni Maovisa Useseei yingi maweta vena vata malilika muikala moisema thayunzeni wa miatiani wa kulena na Ndongoi wa Musumbi William Ruto mwaka muthelu.
We're also aware that Safaricom is complicit and indeed a facilitator in the tracing and abduction of Kenyans who have either ended up dead or maimed in the hands of police like Ojwang.
Good report of Lingua Mauvo Nilina Mosangi.